Okay guys, what's going on? Vitai Dubin is here. It's time for an emergency crypto update because Bitcoin is going down around $57,000. It's breaking some critical support levels, and altcoins are all bleeding right now, even more than yesterday. And a lot of people are turning completely bearish, giving up on the markets, calling it a bear market, calling for Bitcoin to go to 48,000 or even to $40,000. The market is really fearful right now, and we're going to discover whether it's time to panic or this is a massive bear trap. Okay, actually, we're gonna reverse quickly. So let's see what's going on in the market. So Bitcoin, as you can see, is $57,500. It actually broke this trend line that started back in October with this bullishness move right here in the middle of October from $26,000 all the way to $73,000, and we had several touch points over this trend line. Today it got broken, unfortunately. If we're gonna close the day in the next 8 hours like this, if it's not gonna reverse today, then what can happen is that we can go here to 59.5 and then down even further. That's one scenario that can play out. I'm also looking at the weekly level on the 21 weekly moving average. So what we're seeing over here, the last week was actually closed as a bullish hammer with this big wick on this move, and I thought it was quite a bullish candle. It is a very bullish candle over here that we are seeing over the previous week. However, the market decided to go down. We're going to discover the reasons for the market decided to go down right now, and currently we reached the low of $56,800. Pretty brutal 4 weeks for Bitcoin. Overall, we have been ranging in this since the beginning of March. So if you count the days, it's about like 120 days or something like that, that we are ranging here for 4 months. And it doesn't mean that it is a bear market. Okay, we have an uptrending market, and then we have a sideways market, then again an uptrending and sideways. So right now we're still in the sideways move, but question is, are we gonna see a more steeper correction? Are the altcoins that already got obliterated today, this week, this month, completely wrecked? You can see minus 40%, minus 50%. My favorite, what is Pepe, 35%, say 45%, Phantom 44%, completely obliterated this month. This week you can see what's going on in altcoins. We see even more blood in the market. If Bitcoin gonna go to $52,000, okay, into this zone, then altcoins can fall another 20%, which is crazy. But when you think about it, okay, what is this correction really? This correction really is just a move of 20%. That's it. Since when 20% correction we call in a bull market a bear market? You know, if you look at the history of the last bull markets in 2017, there have been numerous corrections of 30%, 35%. Right? So this is a 20% correction over here. It is really early to panic. If there is something right now, then you should be accumulating more. You should be buying more, because at those historical levels we are oversold on the daily. Right now we are still above 50. Actually, if you look at the RSI and the weekly, this is a bit of a concern. 48 right now, but the week is not finished yet. We are looking to probably towards August to have this cross on the stochastic RSI for the momentum for Bitcoin to get back into the market. So Right now, it is the summertime. It's correction time. The thing is that we have the German government transfers $172 million in Bitcoin to multiple locations. They have like several $billion to sell. There is the German government selling pressure, and the Tron founder Justin Sun offers to buy all Bitcoin from the German government. They're currently holding $2.3 billion in BTC. Okay, and let's see what's going on. We are witnessing the second biggest drawdowns on the altcoins in the last 2 years. The biggest one being Q3, Q4 2022, caused by the FTX collapse, where the total three, that is excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, had a total drawdown of 37%. The current drawdown is 28.6%. It's bigger than anything we've seen since 2023. So this is why it feels like a bear market, right? But it's not. It is a trap. It is a trap. That's why we have people like this Polly saying, it was heavy heart that I write this favorable message, goodbye crypto, it was great times, blah, blah, blah. And, it's been a great ride and I'm out. But, we see Moon Carl is showing McDonald's signs like a double pattern with a target of $38,000. This is crazy. What the hell he is talking about, right? It's very, very bearish. Alex is saying I have zero interest in crypto right now. Last time I felt like this, I dumped a coin for about 150,000 in boredom. That bag would have been worth $2.5 million if I had just waited 6 months. I expect similar. Close out coin market cap and the charts. Go enjoy summer, do absolutely nothing. This is nice advice, okay? If you can do nothing, right? But I wanted to see the opportunity that there is. The market is giving you an opportunity to buy a $150,000 asset, which is Bitcoin, for $60K. The market is giving you an opportunity to buy a $10,000 asset for $3,300, which is Ethereum. The market is giving you opportunity to buy a $1,000 asset for $140, which is Solana. Take this opportunity with both hands, right? We also have Mt. Gox selling. This is the exchange from Japan that got hacked back 10 years ago, and now is starting its distribution. Like it was dormant for a month. Mt. Gox wallets showed activity with test transactions, hitting the potential asset distributions, and increased selling pressure. So this is what's causing probably. It's not just the sell of itself of the Mt. Gox bitcoins. It is the anticipation of selling. It is the fear of selling. That's what's causing the market to move. But we have Bitcoin at a discount. If you're happy to buy something at $100, in theory, you'd be thrilled if you could get it for $80, right? But in investing, people don't think like this, right? If Bitcoin, you would be happy to buy it at 60,000, 65, and now it's at a discount. Why not buy it at a discount? You know what I mean? People are very, very bearish when the market is going negative. But this too shall pass. This too shall pass. Bitcoin is gonna return. You just need to survive this market. Don't go over leverage in this market because they can wipe you out of the game. Don't go crazy on leverage on altcoins, trading, trying to gain some money, because the market can punish you very, very severely for doing so. So right now you can buy something spot, accumulating. Ethereum is one of those, probably one of the easiest midterm long setups right now. Fully retrace initial ETF pump. Days away from the ETF approval this month. ETF flows being severely underestimated and exhibiting relative strength during the dips. So Ethereum is one of those coins that you can consider in buying right now. A powerful combo for a Bitcoin local low has formed. A retest of the bottom of the cycle for fair value channel paired with a level 1 low level daily RSI. You can see that we are right now entering the slightly undervalued territory right now. So yeah, it's it's a good timing to buy, because I believe we're in a full bull market. Imagine selling here because of minus 22% correction. That's how Bitcoin price after halving always got corrected before the big major. This is days after halving, and this is the price scaled to 2024 halving. Yeah, we're just in the beginning of this. So better times ahead. Better times ahead. Bitcoin is testing right now the daily 200 moving average and exponential moving average for the first time since $27,000. This is a good level to watch closely. Any close below could signal a further slowdown correction. So it's time for the bulls to step in. It is really time. It is really time. There is no more time to wait for the bulls to step in. The time is right now. Trump sparks talks of Bitcoin as a strategic reserve asset. We never seen it before. We all the remaining Bitcoin to be made in the USA. See? In the True Social post last month, Republican president candidate Donald Trump expressed strong support for Bitcoin. Yeah, so basically, if USA is gonna be the first country to position Bitcoin as a strategic reserve asset, think about what it can do to all the other countries in the world. We have retail is quite long on Bitcoin. 76% of all accounts that are in position on Bitcoin and Binance are net long. So, and there is $22 billion in shorts waiting to be liquidated if Bitcoin going to go to 70K again. Yep, a lot of bearishness is on the market, but how really low it can go? How much lower it can go? I don't know, but it does look bearish in the short term. It does look bearish, but over the long term, I don't change my stance over Bitcoin. We are in a freaking bull market. If you're in doubt, zoom out to 3 months. Does it look to you like a bear market? No. It doesn't. It's just a small little correction over the summer. That's it, right? So the next target is gonna be sweet, around $95,000. Just look at this chart, how beautiful it is. If in doubt, you zoom out. We are just retesting these levels of 2021. That's what we are doing right now. Just retesting this level of support, and then ready to climb over the next 3 months, 6 months, back to 70K towards the end of the year. The next 6 months should be incredible. So no need to panic right now. If in doubt, you zoom out. You know the drill, okay? I know it can be emotionally very hard to look at your portfolio right now. Everything is down. If you're new to crypto, okay, it can be frustrating. If you're not new to crypto like me, I was 7 years in crypto. This is something that we see normally. It's a normal day. It's a normal day in crypto. That's it. We got a little fake out here on the daily. You can see we did spike to $64,000, confused everyone, and from $64,000 down to $56,000. This is a move over the last several days of 11%. 11%. Yeah. Anyway, so this is what I want to share with you guys. Stay strong. We are in a bull market. This time is gonna pass. The second half of the year should be great. Ethereum ETF is coming, so everything has its own turn. So enjoy the day, make some gains, buy the lows, buy the dips, and wish you to make profits in this market.